People of this four-cornered room, lend me your eyes and ears. I am Rachel Heidi Johnson Martinez from Mantucan, Compostela Valley Province and currently live in Davao City. As all of you can see, I am a huge feature of this room. I am tall and fat at the same time. But who am I really are? What's so special about me? I am a person that have a silent life. Only few people know me well. I don't like to interfere, judge, or disturb others because I don't want it to be done to me and see me as a meddler. I love music and art because when I feel something, a song sometimes helps me and gives me courage to continue or move on when I have experienced or encountered a terrible happiness in my life. And in art, in a way that when I want to have peace of mind, I just express it through creating art or painting or drawing something in my notebooks. I love those two things because they cheer and live with my life. And above all, I think of myself as having a peaceful and amazing definition of a tranquil living. That is all. Thank you for listening.